Hello everyone, I wanted to show you today an unusual knife with unusual set of tools. So this is from a Facebook group, VICTORINOX FREUNDE, a bit like VSACS, Victorinox Knife Collector Society from the United States, which I made a video about the knife in this one, if you remember maybe. They have Victorinox make a knife every year, like this axe. And last year I didn't show it, but there was this one, which was a Rancher X or special Pioneer X. So we have large blade, rimmer hole, scissors, the bottle opener with the large flat screwdriver, and instead of the can opener we have this blade. We had this on the blade. So it was created in 2014. So this special knife with a special configuration. So of course it's an Alox. So it's a red one. For the color, if you compare, it's the same color as the Alox from Alox limited edition from 2018, I think. So it's actually exactly the same color. So we have two layers on this one. So here we have the logo, Victorinox Freunde, and so we have the pruning blade. Then large blade with Victorinox Freunde 2022 etched on it. And finally we have the file. So which is very unusual because we've never seen the file on an Alox, and the configuration itself is very unusual anyway. So it's a very interesting knife. Also this knife, Victorinox Freunde 2022 with the logo. So serrated knife for the kitchen, I would say. Very good knife. If you don't know these ones, they are good knives for the kitchen, etc. So yeah, that's it. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section if you want. If you have any questions, of course. And take care, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.